Today we're going to compare two powerful AI coding assistants, Claude Code by Anthropic and Cursor AI. Both tools can speed up development, but they shine in different ways. First, let's look at Claude Code. It's designed as a conversational coding partner. You can paste entire code bases, ask for refactoring, debugging, or explanations. Claude handles large context windows very well, meaning it can understand and work with big projects at once. It's best when you want detailed reasoning, safe suggestions, or code reviews. Now let's try Cursor AI. Cursor is built on top of VS Code, so it feels natural if you already use that editor. It integrates AI directly into your workflow, inline code completions, smart edits, and the ability to chat with your code right in the IDE. Cursor is optimized for real-time coding speed, making it great for developers who want instant suggestions and fast prototyping. To summarize, Cloud Code is ideal for big picture help like architecture decisions, refactoring, or explaining complex code. Cursor AI is ideal for day to day development like writing functions, generating boilerplate, and quick fixes directly inside your editor. So, if you need an AI partner for deep reasoning in large projects, go with Cloud Code. If you want a seamless coding copilot inside your editor, choose Cursor AI. Many developers actually use both together for maximum productivity.